Samsung is coming back with the worst nightmare ever. The latest news confirms that the Galaxy S23 series has surpassed the Galaxy S22 lineup by a margin. This is definitely a victory for Samsung. It also comes with risks. If their next big decision doesn't pan out, it could be a setback for them. The success of the Galaxy S23 series can largely be attributed to Samsung's decision to adopt the Qualcomm chip worldwide. However, for some reason, they have chosen to go to using Exynos. We have received confirmation that Europe will be one of the markets where Exynos will make its return, bidding farewell to Qualcomm. This likely means that we'll see Exynos in the UK as well. This seems to be a move by Samsung, which they might continue in the future. It's not Europe, but other regions like Asia, including the Indian market, are expected to receive devices powered by Exynos chips too. Rumors suggest that Exynos 2400 will prove to be a chip and may offer performance as Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, due to manufacturing differences, with Samsung's 4nm tech compared to TSMC's 4 nanometer process, we might still see some performance variations. Samsung cannot afford any missteps with this generation of Exynos chips, because if they do falter, it could severely impact people's trust in their brand. Finally, there will come a time when Samsung officially launches a phone with a screen. It's quite possible that this could happen in 2025. We've been witnessing prototypes from Samsung and other brands, with Motorola showcasing their own rollable screen phone this year. Given that Samsung was the first to introduce folding phones to markets, it only makes sense for them to explore the possibilities of phones in 2025 or beyond. So that's all for today. It seems like we might bid farewell to Snapdragon exclusively for Galaxy models as we anticipate the return of Exynos for markets in Europe. So share your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you all later. Peace out.